Episode 69, Pendle, the Yield Splitter. Welcome to episode 69 of Crypto Robbie. I'm Robbie, your host. I've been in crypto since 2013, back when Bitcoin was king and yield farming wasn't even a concept. Today, we're diving into a blockchain that's slicing up decentralized finance profits in a clever way. That blockchain is Pendle. We're exploring Pendle, known by its ticker Pendle, which ranks at number 77 in market cap on March 25th, 2025, with $827 million in value. At its core, Pendle is an Ethereum-based protocol that splits yield into tradable assets, powered by its Pendle token. Let's unpack this splitter and see how it's carving up the gains. Pendle launched in June 2021, founded by Tian Li and a Singapore-based team with deep decentralized finance expertise. When I started in crypto, it was all raw and unpolished. Yield farming only took off later with Ethereum's rise. Pendle pushed that idea further by tokenizing future yields, letting users trade or lock them as they see fit. They raised $3, $5 million in a seed round, built their platform on Ethereum, and went live with a fresh take on splitting profits. By 2023, integrations with Aave fueled its growth, and 2024's shift to Arbitrum boosted its speed. This is a decentralized finance innovator with a sharp mind. So how does Pendle operate? It's a protocol initially built on Ethereum, a layer 1 blockchain with proof of stake. Now also running on Arbitrum's layer 2 for extra efficiency, capable of thousands of transactions per second. The Pendle token handles staking, governance, and incentives through smart contracts. Users deposit assets like staked Ethereum, splitting them into principal tokens for the base asset and yield tokens for future gains. Both can be traded separately. The system taps into Ethereum and Arbitrum's thousands of nodes, keeping it fully decentralized with a focus on yield flexibility. This setup turns profits into building blocks you can shuffle around. What's the purpose of Pendle? It's all about giving users control over their yields. Think decentralized finance, speculation, and hedging with a twist. Pendle's app lets you split yields from assets, while trading pools let you buy or sell those pieces. The ecosystem revolves around Pendle and ties into broader decentralized finance platforms, creating a playground for yield enthusiasts. Now let's explore where Pendle shines in the real world. A trader in the US split their staked Ethereum, selling yield tokens for immediate cash while keeping the principal. A farmer in Europe locked principal tokens in a pool, staking Pendle to earn extra yield over time. An Asian speculator bought yield tokens, betting on rising rates to cash in later. Last year, a user in Brazil used Pendle to hedge against a market dip, protecting their portfolio with split assets. An investor in the UK traded Pendle tokens directly, flipping yields for quick profit. An Indian decentralized finance pool split Aave gains, boosting returns with Pendle incentives. And a global fund locked Pendle in a vault, farming steady profits month after month. In simple terms, people use Pendle to break apart their crypto earnings, selling some now, saving some later, like chopping up your profits to play your way. The tokenomics of Pendle keep things tight. The total supply caps at 258 million Pendle, with 156 million circulating now. According to your list, 40% went public, the rest to the team and liquidity pools. Yields range from 5 to 10%, inflation stays low, and fees fund ecosystem growth without flooding the market. It's a small pool with value driven by yield trading activity. Market history shows a strong climb with some heat. Pendle launched at 20 cents in 2021, soared to $7.49 in 2024's decentralized finance rush, and now sits at $5.30, securing that $827 million market cap at number 77. It's been trending up steadily over the last week, fueled by yield-chasing hype. The Pendle community is full of decentralized finance geeks. Thousands of users on platforms like Pendle, and XSwapTricks for maximizing yields and splitting strategies. Tian Li leads as the quiet mastermind, focusing on utility over flash. Early complaints about complexity got ironed out with better interfaces, and trust has held firm. This is a sharp group, obsessed with profits over noise. What does Pendle bring to the table? It offers unmatched flexibility in yield management, a secret weapon for decentralized finance fans. However, its complexity might scare off newbies, and it competes with broader platforms like Aave. This protocol is a yield splitter with serious smarts. Looking ahead to 2025, growing adoption could push Pendle toward $8 if yield trading takes off further. Over the long term, it's a standout in decentralized finance, though it'll need to keep simplifying to outpace rivals. Keep an eye on trading volume. It's the heartbeat of this project. From my 2013 perspective, Pendle is the yield play I'd have drooled over back then. It turns profits into a game of strategy, pure decentralized finance brilliance. Split it, trade it, or track it, your move. Next up, we've got 1inch Network on Crypto Robbie. Catch you then.